I really had fun kasi pagkakita mo, ang bilis ng takbo ng utak mo, kailangan mong mag-conceptualize agad.
This 1 minute, you can decide if you want to return some of your ingredients or if you want to trade with another contestant.
Nagkaroon ako ng idea, yung mga ginamit din nila na, ay, pwede palang ganun. Natuto ako sa kanila din as well. I chose yung Pure Foods Beef Tapa. Kahit saan kasi pwede ko siyang gamitin. This one kasi supposedly, it's a tortilla omelette. Kaso since wala akong tortillas, I use the cheese sana, kaso hindi siya nag-roll. So parang omelette na lang siya. Basically, more on mabilis at delicious. And healthy as well. Ang palaya is mapait. Yung beef tapa kasi manamis-namis. So I think it will balance the taste. Combination of protein and vegetables.
In 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Yung ampalaya, wag sanang maging mapait. Kasi normally, yun yung case eh. Hindi, sabi nga, di ba, not all people are eating ampalaya. I really had fun. Medyo tumakbo yung utak natin, minsan patulog-tulog. I have recipe na rin na pwede kong dalhin sa bahay.